So there's this fence line. This fence line that I like to work. It's got a lot of heavy traffic on it. A lot of foot traffic, so that's where I got my blind set. We'll sit there and see what we can get to come into the feeder, and hopefully we'll have something big show up. That'll be nice. I don't know how good. The sun's got to be kind of got the wind south of me, blowing the way I don't want it blowing. And on top of that, I got some neighbors next door that are shooting guns like crazy right now. So hopefully this turns out well. I'm gonna descent everything. Kind of always like to change. Always carry an extra set of clothes with me that I've had soaking and sent away all night and all day. So I want to change real quick, get into some different clothes, and we'll see what comes up. Pretty decent 8-point come in. Real tall tines. That was real narrow though, still inside the ears. So give it a little bit more time, see if we can't get that big buck to come in. Hopefully, right? Well, guys, gonna have to call it a day, man. I had a huge one come in. Just wouldn't jump the fence and come close enough for my bow. So I got some pretty good footage of it, but couldn't get it to come in any closer. So I'm gonna come back in the morning, try it again, see what happens. Smoke City, baby. Smoke City. Oh, damn. That boy was tough to hit. That was a smart deer. That was a very smart deer. Whew. I think we'll give it a little rest and give them about 15 minutes and we'll go see if we can't find them. Right. Well, it's been about 15 minutes. See if we can't find some blood and go find them. Wish me luck. Got some blood here. Pretty good shot. Some blood here. Going this way. Get 'em, boys. It took us a while to track it down, but got a pretty nice, good looking 8-point here, real even. Some real nice tines on it, nice spread. But yeah, opening day, bow season, or opening weekend of bow season, got me a nice little 8-point. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.